ready for another bike video? It actually doesn't look that heavy. The wheel, it's on. It comes attached. They already put it on there, just straight out of the box. There it is. Here's everything that was in the box. Seriously debating on putting on the fenders. Not that I could get them on the correct way anyways, I'm not very good at that. But I think it'll look better without them. And I'm pretty sure that's how they have it on their website. The handlebars I did struggle with because in the instructions it says to put down this little doodad right here. You see this part? So I put it down, but because of all these wires, this still won't go up. So you kind of gotta turn the handlebars, get this one wire that's kind of wrapped around that out of it, and then they go up. And then there's this doohickey here. Undo that. They clamp all the way in, and then put it back like so. Here's a closer look at that. See, there's a little doodad here. Boop. And this does have some resistance because it's holding down the stem. And then I can bring this back down like so. Undo doodad. Make sure there's no wires wrapped around it, and if they are, unwrap it. And then it just goes up. And then it won't just pop into place. You gotta move this, push that down. Now it pops in, and then put it back. The seat or saddle, that's where the battery is. This part is really heavy. So you gotta lift up this, position the thing in there, and then slide it down to your height. There we go. And then it clamps down. Huh, interesting. I've never seen anything like it. I'm not really sure what's going on here at the front wheel. There's this weird thing. I'm gonna try removing it. It was weird because it felt really loose. So I tightened down that screw right there. This is actually a magnet, and what it's used for is folding the bike. I got the right pedal, the left pedal. I'm gonna start with the right one and just kind of spin it. Okay, good. This one is clockwise, which means the other one is gonna be counterclockwise. Gonna go ahead and tighten both of these down. The handlebars, I'm gonna position where I think I want them. I'm gonna adjust this little computer screen. Maybe right there. I guess I can always adjust them later and then clamp this down, but this is a little loose. So I'm gonna tighten it right here and then clamp it down. There we go. And this is a folding bike, but you can't just undo this little latch right here. You gotta move this little doodad and then the latch comes out. So to fold it, they say put the handlebars down first. And then it just folds. Like so. Behind the seat, there is a keypad. There's no keys. This is how you start the bike. To do that, first you come up here, click that button. Once that's green, go back down here and enter the password, which you can choose your own, but it comes with one. I'm just gonna use that one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the power button. And as soon as I do that, the screen will light up.
Okie dokie, let's quickly take it over to my favorite trail. I had it on pedal assist 1, and I was going 21. But that's 21 kilometers per hour. So it's pretty smooth on the street, but when I got on the sidewalk, it's a little less smooth. Not much for suspension. And the screen's not flashing like that in real life. It's just the frame rate on my GoPro. So let's start off with this crop shot right here and go up to the screen. I'm going to change it over to miles. It's 3 clicks. It goes from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. Alrighty then, here I go again. Off to a shaky start. Coordination's a little bit off because I got a sinus infection. So now I got this in miles per hour. I'm on pedal assist 3. And this is where I kick things into 7th gear. Pedal assist 3 as fast as I could pedal it. And I got it to 21 miles per hour. However, most of my ride I was cruising on pedal assist 1 at around 12 to 14 miles per hour. Alrighty then, here you can see that my right foot is not properly positioned on the pedal, but we aren't here to look at my feet. So let's look at this front wheel instead. Ooh, I ended up filming this myself, so there's my selfie stick. And it's because my partner fractured a rib. So I'm gonna go at it alone. I think I did a pretty good job. This part actually wasn't filmed on a cell phone, it was filmed on a GoPro, but it looks like a phone. I don't know why it's like this. And just for jips and shiggles, here's a front shot. So I got the handlebar shot, side shot, front shot. Let's revisit the legs. And then here's a Hurricane Ian aftermath shot. So I finally made it to the end of the trail. This is my first time at the end, and I spotted a rooster. And on my journey, I also ran into Bigfoot, along with his wife and their son. Giant spider, huge skeleton, walking a T-Rex, and this pine cone is just beautiful. So the bottom button, that's to adjust pedal assist.
No throttle. No throttle at all. It's just pedal assist or no pedal assist. You can have a regular bike or an e-bike with just pedal assist.
The top button is for the lights. So there's one in front, go over to the back side, and there is a tail light. My favorite thing about this is the torque sensor. It makes for a really smooth pedal assist. And I should probably go over the specs, but you guys can just go on their website. So I felt really silly out there with these selfie sticks. There was a lot of people, but I just didn't include those clips because I don't like filming other people. It's kind of rude. But I think I got some pretty decent shots. Kind of missed my head on this one, but hey, the bike looks great, so that's nice.
Okay, I'm pretty much done with the ride at this point. I've gone just a measly 6 miles. So you can actually have it on the highest setting, which is 3. From a dead stop, it's not gonna jerk. It just assists. It's just a little bit of an assist. And the higher, but the higher mode that you set it on, the more pedal assist you get. And it's quite a difference with pedal assist and without pedal assist. I tried without. I'm not in shape enough, but I tried for like a mile. I don't know if you guys can hear the yap yap in the background, but there's a little dog and it hasn't stopped barking. I'm actually sick right now, you probably can't tell, but I got a sinus infection, and on one side it's really hurting, so that's the other reason I'm gonna head home. Plus my bum hurts. There's really no suspension on this. So after 11 kilometers or 6 miles, wait, let me put it back into miles. Get back into miles, there we go. I've used that much battery. I would like to see that in percentages.
Alrighty, that's it. Toodaloo-dee-loo.